This is Tim here from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Android hotspot to your iPhone. So what we want to do is just turn on our hotspot. So here's my phone. I'm going to swipe down from the top right. Now a lot of times you can just go to one of these buttons. Right here I have this option to turn on and off my hotspot. This is what this symbol looks like. So you can just turn on and off right there. Otherwise you can go down to settings. And when you're under settings here, you can just go to network and internet. Tap this, go to hotspot, turn it on. Now you can go to Wi-Fi hotspot, tap this, and you can change the name of your hotspot. Mine's just Tim Wi-Fi. And then we have hotspot password. Make sure you come up with a unique password that you remember. So my hotspot is now turned on. We can go over to my iPhone now, and we can go to settings. And we can go to the network options. So let's just see where network is. Now if you can't find network, here's Wi-Fi. We can go down. Here's Tim Wi-Fi. Tap it. Yours is going to be different. Now you're going to have to type in the password. So you can see I already have the password in here actually. Looks like I connected. So you can see I have Timothy1 on there. So I'm connected, so I can forget this actually. So let's forget it and I'll just connect to it now. So go on down to wherever you have that and you should be able to find your hotspot in here. So here's Tim Wi-Fi. Now I have to enter in the password. So let's do Timothy1. Timothy1. I might have spelled that wrong. Go to the check mark. And now I'm connected to my Wi-Fi hotspot from my Android phone on my iPhone. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.